We already own a ChiliPad 1.0 and love it. Like, actually really love it. But they just dropped ChiliPad 2.0, and I'm here to help you differentiate whether this is just some capitalistic play where they're just trying to get you to spend money, or this is actually a better product. So I'm going to talk about what's actually changed, out of those changes, which ones really matter, and then who should upgrade and who should just stay put using the ChiliPad 1.0. Whether you choose to purchase this or not, I always like to get a discount code for my viewers. You can find that in the description below, and they gave a pretty generous one, so check that out if you do decide to make a purchase. Okay, so let's first start out with the dock. This is the ChiliPad 2.0 dock. Hold on. This is the ChiliPad 1.0 dock. Obviously, at first glance, they don't look too different, but here's what I'll tell you. This 1.0 is not loud, but it is there. You can definitely hear it. I mean, it's essentially like a little white noise machine that sits next to your bed. The 2.0, quite the opposite. Silent. I don't know how they did it. There's essentially no noise. I do know that they redesigned the pump from the ground up. New hardware, new firmware. It's the same size, it didn't get any bigger. And the best part, with the new dock setup, it has a remote. On the 1.0, you're adjusting that temperature through the app, or you're having to get up at 2 a.m. half asleep and actually go crouch down underneath your bed and touch the dock. It's fine. We've still been using it because we love this product, but it is a friction. Something that I noticed could be better. And they hooked it up. Let me show you this. If you want to adjust temperatures in the middle of the night, it's the on-off switch. It's an extra charging port for your phone. Everything's right there on your nightstand. No one else in this space has done something quite like that yet. And I did think this was going to be one of the bigger upgrades, the most noticeable, but here's another one where they really took the design to the next level. The 1.0 had the tubes built in. And if at any point you're confused how this all works, I'll have a whole video, instructional review, testing the actual product, so don't worry about that. You'll be able to find it on my channel or somewhere up above here. So again, 1.0, tubes built in. 2.0, they separate this into two pieces. I'll show you. So the big idea here is if that your cover ever wears out, if you use this thing for, 10 years or something like that, you replace just the cover, not the whole system. That's a fundamentally different ownership model. Modular, repairable, responsible, and it's built to last much longer. And I did see this, they backed that with a 2-year warranty where ChiliPad 1.0 was only a 1-year warranty. So at this point in the video, so far everything has gotten a significant upgrade. 2 more things real quick worth knowing before you make the decision. Back to the newer dock. It requires less fills, which the ChiliPad would fill it about once every week and a half. It came with way more system cleaner. ChiliPad 1.0 came with one of these. So less maintenance, same performance, that's a win. And another thing, and this matters more for some people than others, the core electronics are now designed and assembled in the USA. I don't want to get into politics here, but I think that is important. Now let me name one thing that didn't change, and this does matter. The temperature range is still 55 degrees to 115 degrees. The water cooling technology is the same. The dual zone setup on your bed is the same. The sleep scheduling in the app is still there. The core experience that we love from the ChiliPad 1.0 is all still there. What I'm finding, my own opinion and review, comparing these two products, the 2.0 just got cleaner, quieter, and more convenient. So here's where I land. If you don't have a ChiliPad yet, get the ChiliPad 2.0. No reason not to start with the better version, the one that's gonna last longer for you. And then if you already currently have the ChiliPad 1.0, should you upgrade? If the noise is an issue, or the not having the nightstand dock remote, then sure, you can upgrade. But if you have the 1.0, things are working great, and you don't mind the things I just mentioned, there's no emergency here. This is a phenomenal product. I personally don't think you're gonna sleep better or worse on the 1.0 versus 2.0. Again, it just has some more convenient, quieter, cleaner upgrades. Last thing before you go, don't forget that discount code in the description below. It's a significant amount when you're purchasing something like this. It also supports my channel and helps me make more review and test videos that hopefully are helpful to the public. If you wanna see the original video where I test this ChiliPad 1.0 or a full breakdown of the ChiliPad 2.0, I'm sure you can find them somewhere around here. If you've already upgraded to the ChiliPad 2.0 and have thoughts, throw them in the comments, I'd love to hear. All right, that's all I've got. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.